Today's video will be demonstrating a 634 concentrator controlled 1A2 key telephone. This particular telephone was manufactured in 1966. It is an 18-button telephone that has a 25-pair mounting cable onto it. These phones were intended to be used in buildings that had a lack of cable runs in the floor, the walker duct type of a system. I do have the 235 KTU that is used to make the telephone work. Here is the 235 KTU. So I'll press the line key, it will be line number 1, and you'll see some of the relays operate when I go off hook. You will also hear the line finder in the background. That is line 1. That there is line number 8. And that is line number 13. I only have 3 lines connected for this demonstration. This KTU is also, the 3 lines I'm using is wired down here to a 1A1 KTU. I have 20 lines of 1A1. This is a 239 11 line expansion unit, and below it is a 238. The 238 has the common interrupter for both of these panels, as well as 8 of my 584C panels. These concentrators are difficult to find. The concentrator phones are fairly rare. I have 3 of them, and I have 2 more 235 KTUs that will eventually be wired up. Down here you'll notice that when I go off hook, I'm using line equipment number 20 of the 1A1. I've just placed the line on hold. If I wanted to, I can dial and ring up one of the other lines. I will be ringing up this line equipment here. So the ring up relay is up right now. The telephone, the line is flashing on the key set. And if I was to answer that, I'll put the other line on hold. So I have called from this phone through my switch back to this phone. So right now we have this line equipment and this line equipment in use, and the concentrator is released because none of the line buttons are selected. That concludes this video for the concentrator.